Hi friends, welcome to Mech Plaza. Thanks for your regular support. Today we are going to talk about basic pump calculations in fluid mechanics. Let's see the definitions of pump factors. Capacity means flow rate required, that is, gallons per minute, cubic meter per hour, etc. Suction means pressure psi head, foot, or head, m. Discharge means pressure psi head, foot, or head, m. And PSH means net positive suction head or available in absolute pressure. Product means type of liquid and its conditions, temperatures, viscosity, specific gravity. Clean, solids, abrasive, corrosive. Pump type means whether it is centrifugal, rotary, reciprocating gear, lobe, screw horizontal, vertical, inline, submersible, self-priming etc. Materials of construction means desired materials and or construction features, if any. Driver means electric/air/hydraulic motor, gas, diesel engine, gas, steam turbine. Let's see the formulas for pump calculations. How to calculate the pump head. Head, foot, equals, psi x 2.31, specific gravity. How to calculate the pump pressure. PSI equals, head, feet, x specific gravity, 2.31. How to calculate the velocity of liquid. Velocity, feet/second, equals, 0.4085 x GPM, ID, in, of pipe, 2. How to calculate the brake horsepower for centrifugal pump. BHP, centrifugal, equals, GPM x head, feet, x specific gravity, 3960 x pump efficiency. How to calculate the brake horsepower for positive displacement pump. BHP Positive Displacement equals, GPM x PSI, 1715 x pump efficiency. Let's see about net positive V suction head, and PSH. What is net positive V suction head, and PSH? Net positive suction head or NPSH for pumps can be defined as the difference between liquid pressure at pump suction and liquid vapor pressure, expressed in terms of height of liquid column. Suction head is the term used to describe liquid pressure at pump suction in terms of height of liquid column. What are the difference between net positive suction head required and net positive suction head available? And PSHR means head required at the eye of the pump's impeller to prevent cavitation, a function of pump design. PSHA means head available from the suction side of the system, must always equal or exceed the required, and PSHR, to prevent cavitation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos.